He's gonna.
Is he turning?
Yeah.
Well, dang, we need to go that way.
No.
Cooper, look.
What?
You don't want to go?
Yes.
Union Pacific.
Go.
Go, Daddy, go.
That's a heritage. Those are heritage units. Why do we have heritage? Heritage.
Where?
Go.
Is that real, Cooper? Is that rare?
Oh my gosh. Go.
Cooper, we have. Dad has to still obey traffic laws. Hang on. Car wash should be jerking.
Go. Hurry the heck up.
Right there, shouldn't it?
You want him to go right here or down where the signals
Yes.
are? You don't want to go down where the train lights
I
are?
want to go where this is. Right here.
There you go, buddy.
Never seen this one before.
Mom.
I can't tell you what type of train cars these are and what trains this is, but it could be a ballast train. Never seen those engines before.
Not even once, not even twice. 0 times.
I've never seen it. I've never seen those engines. I don't know if they're Stillwater Central Railroad engines. Oh gosh, that was kind of loud. I see some covered hoppers down there. Oh my God, filter. I'm sure. Oh, there's a do not hump car.
Another Mazda stick. Cooper,
Alright.
another Mazda stick.
Dude, I'm shooting you. You're wet. I've never seen them. Wow. Never seen the Stillwater Central. I don't see it again yet.
Put your seatbelt back on now.
And here's what I'm doing.
You want that one or you want my square phone?
Square. I want the square.
That's new. Never seen these cars. They don't say you do not hump on them. Okay.
Only some of them.
Chicago Northwestern. Chicago Northwestern cars. Some of these cars on this train I have absolutely never seen. Chicago Northwestern.
Well, the road one you haven't seen before. Long one.
They say Chicago and Northwestern system.
It's a long ways away, buddy.
Oh, these are new cars. I've never seen those. Oh, they're just bigger hoppers.
Yeah?
They're bigger Chicago and Northwestern. The bigger ones. That. Employee Northwestern owned. Oh, I've never. Oh, a cylinder hopper. Can afford this or another one. There's the end. Union Pacific. Wow.
Dude, that
Switches.
was awesome. And then Cooper will have 2 trains separate.
Someone just said hello.
Yeah, somebody on that bus.
I think that someone on that bus just knew me. My gosh.
Dude, I've never seen that train before, have you?
No.
Was it a rare one?
Maybe.
I thought I heard a rumbling. I was like, do you hear that?
Those engines are loud, dude. They are loud.
I think that is. What is that going to be?
Pole, light pole.
Look at them suckers.
It's gonna be one of those
Well, I
Is
wasn't
that metal?
planning to see those.
metal round poles. It's gonna be
I wasn't planning to see those today.
Yep, buddy, that was like a rare one. Dude, look at Stash here. That is straight up Mario or what is his face's dad.
That is straight up.
A mask? Man, did you see that mustache?
What the heck?
That's pretty nice.
I'm gonna go to jail. They're about to start smoking something. They got the smoker out. That little girl eating her little kitty bag.
Okay.
It's a duplex. It's got 2 front doors.
Kinsley, why do you have the bag of Mazda sticks?
Hey, give Bubba some. You can't eat them all.
Both of you get it?